Welcome to our channel. Now golden B2B opportunity for your business. Specially work permit visa in Ukraine, payment after visa. Golden opportunity awaits you in Ukraine. We are pleased to invite you to join hands with Galaxy International as the official South Asian business wing of Europe Express LLC, Ukraine, to expand your B2B business network with full transparency and guaranteed success. Why partner with us? 1. Visa type, Ukraine 1-year renewable work visa, Vinnytsia region. 2. Job sector, poultry, meat processing and agro-based industry, top A-grade LLC registered company. 3. Position, general worker, factory operator, production line staff. Facilities. Salary, $700 monthly. Free accommodation and transportation. Medical and health insurance. Paid annual leave, 24 days. Overtime and performance bonuses. Work permit and MOFA immigration approval included. Required documents. 1. Valid passport, minimum 2 years validity. 2. Passport size photo, 35 by 45 millimeters, white background. 3. Police clearance certificate. 4. Educational or training certificate, if any. 5. Experience certificate, if any. 6. Medical test report. 7. Bank solvency and 6-month statement, minimum 10 lakh BDT balance. 8. Health insurance. 9. Visa fee, TT transfer slip. 10. VFS global service fee. 11. Flight booking and itinerary. 12. Europass CV. Agent profit margin. B2B rate, 8.5 lakh BDT. Market passenger rate, 12 to 14 lakh BDT. Profit, 2 to 5 lakh BDT, average per visa. Payment policy, after visa 100% secure and transparent deal. Already, many successful candidates have reached Ukraine and joined reputed companies. They are working legally, enjoying Ukrainian life, and representing true success stories. Special B2B collaboration offer. Join as a regular agent or authorized B2B partner. 1. Full support for visa documentation, VFS global appointment, and 2. Embassy submission. 3. Official Ukraine work permit issued directly by Europe Express LLC. 4. Processing time, 30 to 60 days. 5. Transit visa, Moldova, included in package. 6. Air ticket, insurance, and VFS support available. Golden Reward B2B partners. Achievement gift. After successfully processing 100 plus Ukraine work visa candidates, you will receive 1. Free 15-day business tour in Ukraine. 2. Attend official business conference with Europe Express LLC. 3. Visit Ukrainian partner companies. 4. Receive Golden B2B Partner Certificate and ID. 5. Enjoy free accommodation and local transportation. Note, this reward is a token of appreciation for your outstanding performance and contribution in expanding our business network across Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan, the Middle East, and beyond. Company information. Galaxy International. Delhi, Kolkata, Bangalore, India. Kathmandu, Nepal. Lahore, Pakistan. Dubai, UAE. Dhaka, Bangladesh. Official South Asian Regional Coordinator of Europe Express LLC, Ukraine. Service regions Kiev, Vinnytsia, Lviv, Ukraine. We are your trusted partner in global visa solutions. Thanks for watching our video.